Jones Omwenga njo muwaziri utenende chibesa kule kaunti ya Nyamira. Lero twachaga ikasere noteri for the award ceremony ase ogotwala a budget ilibako kana performance based budget. E category ntwaba tukobwa twaba nambeyemo ase country ngima na kulingana na bali bago kagwa bago kore survey na banyolete buna umurobiri tubwate bwe budget no yogere onorogerete tukaba nambeyemo ase category eyo. Na ninturigirete mutwe ko make sure na category Jones ibi twatanganire.
Twakorete this time so that tukaba nambeyemo twarosetie budget ere more comprehensive alafu ere transparent kero muntu nabakorora ninki kredito twatebire abantu banyamira bagone tukonyora na inde kubwa mono ase budget yeiga nere gotokonya ekero twanyorire chipesa cha kuru national government twanyara kumanya chipesa chiga tugone tugochitumia for a particular program. So we are very happy today because nationally to are very recognized as a county number 1 ya sokorosie budget and also koye implement which is abantu banyamira. So I am very happy and I think buna umwaziri onateba goika umwako umoye Nyamira nkobere number 1 and also tomanyamna in terms of ese budget yeito. This was a very objective assessment to avail nambeyemo. Even it translates to exactly kitogokora as a ground, and we are very committed, and we will be here next year at such a time. Konyora Nandez award yende.